Trading Terminology Part 2. Opening price of a candle. The open is the price at which a stock or asset begins trading, when a new candle starts forming on a chart. It marks the starting sentiment of traders during that period. Closing price of a candle. The close is the final price at which a stock or asset trades when the candle ends during the selected period. The close reflects the final market sentiment for that period. High of the candle. The high is the highest price that an asset or stock reaches within a specific time frame, whether the 5-minute, 1 hour, or daily candle. The high is marked by the top of the upper wick or shadow of the candle, and it shows how far buyers were able to push the price up during that time period. Low of the candle. The low represents the lowest price that an asset traded during the selected time frame, whether it's a 1-minute, 5-minute, hourly, or daily candle. The low is shown by the bottom of the lower wick or shadow of the candle, and shows how far sellers were able to push the price down during that time period. Stop loss. A stop loss is a predefined price level at which a trade is automatically exited to limit potential losses. It acts as a safety net, protecting your capital if the market moves against your position. Key points. Protects you from larger than expected losses. Defines risk per trade clearly, helping traders stick to their trading plan with discipline. For example, if you buy a stock at $100 and place a stop loss at $95, your position will automatically close if the price drops to $95. In this case, you expected the price to rise, but the market moved in the opposite direction. The stop loss helps protect your capital by limiting the loss to $5 per share, preventing larger losses if the price continues to fall. Lower circuit. A lower circuit is the lowest price limit a stock or index is allowed to fall to during a trading session, as determined by the exchange. It serves as a safety mechanism to prevent extreme panic selling or market manipulation. For example, if a stock has a 10% lower circuit and its previous close was $100, then it cannot fall below $90 on that day. If the price hits $90, trading is either halted or restricted, depending on the exchange's rules. Purpose. Helps protect investors from sudden crashes. Gives the market time to absorb news or developments. Promotes market stability during high volatility. Upper circuit. An upper circuit is the maximum price a stock or index is allowed to rise in a single trading session, as defined by the exchange. It serves as a volatility control mechanism to prevent excessive speculative buying and irrational price surges. For example, if a stock has a 10% upper circuit limit and its previous close was $100, it cannot trade above $110 during that session. Once the price hits $110, the stock is locked in the upper circuit, and trading is either halted temporarily or for the rest of the day, depending on exchange rules. Purpose. Allows participants time to reassess the situation before further trading resumes. Prevents irrational price spikes. Helps maintain market stability.